how to send your nearby place or your location in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your WhatsApp application and then go to the chat to which you want to send your location or a nearby place. After that, in this message box, you will see an option of this pin. Simply tap on it. Now you will see another option, location. Tap on it. After that, you will have several options like share live location or send your current location. So simply select any one of these and send them. Now you are sharing your location like this. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.